Miss Beautiful Smile. Grabe, no? So, kinsa ang kandidato na anay, guwapa na ayaw napahiyong. Okay, candidates, wear your best smile. Okay, candidates, wear your best smile. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Beautiful Smile is candidate number 1. Congratulations, candidate number 1. First seat the parents. Okay, candidate number 1 is representing once again Upper Mambayangan. Okay, Ropa lang the special award. By the way, the bearing of our top 5 is based on the production number, the casual, the opening statement, the swimsuit competition, elegance. How about our 12 candidates? Where the sophisticated beauty, elegance man. So elegantly every time she step on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mamayan 2024, Miss Elegance is candidate number. I see different big numbers. You have number 4, number 12. Asa mga number sa uban? Number, saan ang number? Number 4. Okay, our Miss Elegance is candidate number 12. Congratulations, candidate number 12.
Makeup artist, Benunso Alcantara.
May we request the parents? May we representative of the sponsor. I think the volume of crowd is composed of the family of Baliar. So sila ang nag-sponsor sa mga kandidata. Grabe, no? So makita kita all-out support. Even nila ang family is the basic unit of the society where everything starts. Nagsugod yun ang tanan sa atong mga tagsa-tagsa ka panimalay. Uy, babatang sa atong mismo yan. Mga kandidata, yung mga nila mga lawas, yung mga matitawag. Sure mo kayo niya ng lawas? Or wala yung ginulapay? Okay. The secret behind that sexy body is discipline. Ang sa naman, akong lawas naman nag-disiplin na nilabi baya makuyo sa kusina. Sa pagkong labi mo, luto ang inyong bana. Ay! Next award is Miss Beautiful Hair. Nakalba, naging pa sa mga special award ito, mura. Kitag sa tagsa, naging sa ulo, pinong sa tiil. Mura nito na sponsor Best in Nail Care. So our Miss Beautiful Hair is candidate number. It's you again, candidate number 12.
Congratulations, candidate number 12. Hair and makeup, Benunso Alcantara.
Congratulations. Maraming nalaman ito niyo. Magdadong sa bilihan. I'm requesting the representative from the family of Baliar. Ay! Kapag ako na ng taon. Doon sa kanya. Yang? Ayun, soon. Kung si Ate na lang ang nag-appeal. Okay, so, dami yung support naman ang inay. Congratulations! The next award is the Darling of the Ground. Kinsa pinagkusog na suporta sa ilang kandidata. Kasi kung kabarangay, nakabili na ako ng proclaim. inyo i-receive. Candidate number 10!
Congratulations, Patel!
Candidate number 10 is representing Sigaw.
Hair and makeup by G.
Okay, I love you, Sigaw Roba. Because I'm still the reigning Miss K Sigaw. Mula tomorrow, 1 year na. Okay, mag-1 year na kaya akong reign as Miss K Sigaw. Of the shock and Tananong requesting any representative from the family or sponsor. Pero anong wala na ako nakuha ng color sa Sigaw? You're giving nga ng color man actually. Muna, pag-practice ni Batsay mo gawa sila ko ng isoto ng aking tanan. Grabe ka, Hamis. Puti, nagkinig-kinig. Ini representative from Sigaw. Okay na ba atong sponsor? Okay, requesting Kagawad Kahis. Siya na ba din ang nagsingkit kanina pag singkit sa ilang Mardina? Pilapit ko si Kagawad ang muna yun na very competitive and supportive. Okay, by the way, all the competition that mamayan on is only a friendly competition. So, ito pagkawan sa atong competition, remain friendly hapon. Wala'y magbukol ha? Okay, taga kabayangan na mong tanan. Okay, candidate number 10 is our guardian of the crowd. We still have two special awards. The next award is Miss Beautiful Skin. Wala, pa-award din ako po. Ako na po nag-sponsor. Bakit na mo budget dapat ready ang inyong buwan pamunsta. Okay, the next award is the Miss Beautiful Skin. Okay, she will receive a cash and a such. It's you, candidate number 10.
Congratulations, candidate number 10. Makeup artist, G.
Firstly, the appearance of candidate number 10. Okay, muna sa gingon, basta kami ka artist, pag-habis na galing ilang kandidata, walang problema. Okay, kaya walang problema sa foundation. Okay, sa grabe no? Natural ang murag si Julie, yun ang murag, dako din ang ginansya. Wala na kabay sa body foundation. Okay. Magsalamat sa mga tumaming na parties. Hindi sila, whatever na color of your skin, embrace it. Okay, ngayon sila, kanina color nga nasa ako, ako na kulay kayo mga din. Self-love. Congratulations.
Congratulations, candidate number 10.
The last award for our first set, Miss Facebook Award. I think based on the art reactions, okay, ladies and gentlemen, okay, pero punta ha, ang mga reaction nga inyong ikuan, wala yung nagpalit, wala yung nag-autolan, pero ilan nag-i-fail na sa atong committee. Okay, i-undergo ilan nilang NBI. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Facebook Award is you, candidate number 12.
Congratulations, candidate number 12. Hair and makeup artist, share. Like and share.
Okay, likes and share of a picture of the official portrait. Thank you so much for our... Okay, so thank you so much to our official photographers. We have Miss Lorena Auditor of Pixels by Lorraine and Nico Ilahas of Nico Photography. Wow! I'm sure you can taro diya. Grabe advertisement. Okay, thank you so much to our official videographers and photographers during the first event until now. Okay, karon tayo lang na-afford. Wala na. Napay sa kay sakay. Yung kapitan ko, mamista na lang daw. Pero saan pa mamista ka, taga-napalino naman ang photographer na isa. Takot-takot ng lugar. Okay, thank you so much sa itong mga audience na nag-witness sa itong 12 lovely candidates.
Once again, congratulations, candidate number 10. Number brother.
Okay, napalit tayo iapas na award, our Miss Body Beautiful. Grabe nun na, beautiful skin na paging Body Beautiful. And for each year, the certificate of recognition is awarded to Miss Body Beautiful Preaching Usage for 1 year. Pwede ba convert sa lahat? Diba? Di naman tinahanglan, diba? Sexy naman. Okay, proprietor, we have Christy T. Papuana. Tapos ma'am, Christy. Nasa, okay ma'am. Ma'am, kasi ganahan ka mga kayo mong 1 year ma'am. Nag-1 month lang ma'am, tumalungi. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Body Beautiful is you, candidate number 5.
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Makeup artist, Miss Sahara. Once again, congratulations, candidate number 5.
Okay, mura na natin one of the minor awards. Ini-equip lang sa inyo, mura. Basta malabay yung niya ba? Later na natin i-award ang mga minor awards or the what we call exposures award. Okay, so may request. Okay, our usher to get the paper. Okay, thank you guys sa ang hands-on nga designer or decorator. Okay, si Daddy, all together with the team. Okay. So candidates, pwede sa ninyo ipanghatag ang inyong mga awards sa inyong mga parents or please give the touch para wala yung mga distractions during the next part. Requesting our